Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new task in ClickUp. So first of all, just open your ClickUp account and go on top right corner, click on add task and here give your task a name. For example, I'm going to give it how to create a task. Alright, now here, click on assignee. If you want to give this task to a particular team member, just type their email over here and they will be assigned to this task. After that, you can also change the due date today, later, tomorrow, next week, or whatever date you desire. You can change the priority of the task by clicking on this. For example, you want to keep it urgent so that the team member will know that this task is very important and they have to complete it as soon as possible. Now you can also add a subtask in a task by clicking on this three dots and click on subtask and add whatever you desire. Now if you want to give instructions to the team member, click on add description and write the instruction. For example, I'm going to write complete this task ASAP. Alright, we are good to go. Now click on create task, and as you can see, this is subtask and this is task, and you are good to go. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.